Analyze your data to gain a deeper insight. Here is DefinSight, an all-in-one metrology 3D software platform. It is easy, fast, and powerful to make your work a breeze. With a simple interface and intuitive icons, you can navigate your workflow with ease and operate with confidence. Enjoy immersive and engaging measurements right now. It features both light and dark modes to adapt to different lighting conditions. It is aimed to incorporate all the advantages of our 3D software to power the full range of our 3D scanners. Beginners will find it easy with linear workflows. Professionals can easily handle tasks with the simple interface. DefinSight has a brand new software architecture with separating functional modules and component-based management. It can meet various needs. With magic button control, you can perform daily measurement tasks with a single press. Intelligent diagnosis ensures a smooth art. It is quick to start and connect. It also supports real-time scanning and encapsulation of 3D data. DefinSight offers a faster meshing generation and higher data quality and processing efficiency. DefinSight. Ultimate 3D scanning and inspection in every aspect.